Why should you attend the Compliance Management and Compliance Risk Management workshop? The first reason is reflecting or appreciating the importance of compliance and compliance management within any business, and the difficulty in effectively, efficiently managing compliance. This is a difficult area and it's a costly area. So the focus is the technical knowledge to be able to build a really good compliance management and compliance risk management framework that meets the objectives we are looking for in managing compliance, but at the same time is efficient and effective in the way that it's being done. So gaining the technical knowledge. Secondly is to be able to get practical insights about how to do this in your business. And for this we'll be using examples from beginning to end about how to implement and run a good compliance and compliance risk management framework. Thirdly is to be able to meet fellow practitioners who are facing the same challenges and perhaps sharing ideas with those, so that hopefully you can learn from others and the experiences that they are going through. Secondly, what is it that we'll be covering during the workshop? Well, firstly, talking about what exactly compliance management and compliance risk management are. They are definitely connected, but they are to a degree separate. One is looking after the process of managing compliance, the other one is more focused on managing the risks of compliance. We'll be starting at looking at legislation and the regulatory requirements and thinking about turning those into plain English obligations. Thinking about how we go about managing those obligations from a point of view of preparing the business to be able to comply, and then the ongoing monitoring of compliance. We'll also be moving across to risk management of compliance, and that will require us to think about risk rating obligations, and then what are the correct risk management processes that we should have in place to managing compliance risks. This is where we'll overlap with operational risk management and start utilising similar practices such as risk assessments, risk indicators, breach management and so on. We'll also be thinking about then the reporting for compliance and compliance risk management, and very importantly but not least, the embedding a really good framework within the business that has sustainability and is really giving fit for purpose value around your compliance and compliance risk management process. Lastly, who should attend? Well, definitely compliance professionals, particularly those that are responsible for the analysis of regulation, obligations, and creating a framework which allows the business to comply. Also, secondly, very importantly, the risk professionals, given that we are looking at compliance risk. And thirdly, importantly, that the key responsibility for compliance in a business is line management, who are responsible for their own compliance obligations. So to get line management and executive management to come along and attend will truly enable you to embed compliance and compliance risk management within your business. We really hope to see you there.